I'm Jennifer Ash, vascular and endovascular surgery with Christie Clinic, working out of Presence Covenant Medical Center. So vascular surgery is very unique among the surgical specialties. I think the first thing that sets it apart is that we fortunately get to have a lifelong relationship with our patients. So unlike other types of surgery where you perform the procedure and then send the patients on their way, we actually get to follow the patients at least annually for the rest of their lives, so you have a relationship. And then additionally, I became excited about vascular surgery primarily because it's advancing so quickly. So it seems like, every 3 to 6 months we have a new product, a new stent, a new balloon to help patients with their disease process. So it makes it challenging and also very rewarding that you actually see technology advancing that quickly. I treat all forms of vascular disease, both arterial and venous. We perform surgeries and also minimally invasive procedures. For me personally, I would say I probably see a higher population of female vascular patients and have a special interest in women's vascular health. And so I would say that I tend to see more patients from that spectrum. But having said that, vascular disease also is more prevalent in men, so we certainly see a high population of those patients as well. So our primary office will be in Champaign-Urbana at the Christie Clinic. I will personally be at a regional clinic in Watseka, Illinois, and of course my partners and I will be seeing patients at other sites in the region as the months go on. No, I didn't always know I wanted to be a doctor. I actually worked in healthcare prior to going to medical school, and it was many of those experiences that sort of, stimulated me to undergo further training. So in my free time, I like to spend a lot of time with my daughter. She just turned 2 this year, so that's exciting. And I would say outside of that, I enjoy very much being outside working and do a lot of gardening and landscaping. I was actually raised on a farm, and so I am drawn to digging in the dirt and doing those sorts of things on the weekend.